try to fix my wife's clay pot right here. First thing you do is find all the pieces and try them out, see if they fit, and then you can sit down and try to start putting them together. So here we go. I'm using just regular Elmer's glue, and here's the first piece. I'm going to start at the bottom. Looks like that's fitting. It's still got a crack in it, but I'm going to cover that up with glue. I think it's just outside. And since this is a funny shape, I might want to try to get that one in next. Okay, here's the next piece. And I got some Elmer's glue on there. I think you gotta do these kind of quick because it dries up and it's not facing right, or you have to maneuver it. You ain't gonna be able to do it after it dries. Alright, here's the next piece. Oh, and you can put wax paper. I found aluminum foil first, so I used that to underneath it just in case you spill some so it don't stick to the table. Alright, ready for the next piece. Okay, here's the next piece. Alright, I have to use both hands, so I'm gonna let this down. Okay, here's the last piece. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to use both hands again. Alright, you got it back together. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna take and put the glue here. It'll dry clear. Oh. Oh wow. And I'm putting the glue to kind of help seal up the cracks. And if you got one like this that tends to want to lean, you can brace it up against something else that's kind of heavy and won't move, and just let it dry there for about a day. Hopefully nobody moves it. Okay, so definitely not the prettiest fix, but I guess it'll have to do. It will dry clear, and that'll kind of seal it. And at least it's kind of back together.